Hi everyone, it's Annalisa Smola here at Creative Memories Home Office, and we are thrilled to be launching our album kit expansion packs. So here we have our baby expansion pack for the On the Bright Side album kit. And what's great about these packs is there are 4 genres. So we have baby, wedding, travel, and beach. Each of these come with various different sayings and graphics that are so cute to add to your album kit to spice it up for whatever theme you are documenting. So for baby showers and maternity photos and anything just to do with your little one, to use the expansion pack embellishments to plus up your album kit.